RNA polymerase a complex enzyme. The RNA polymerases that catalyze transcription are complex multimeric process. In prokaryotes, RNA is synthesized by a single kind of polymerase. In contrast, the nucleus of the eukaryotes contains 3 types of RNA polymerases: prokaryotic RNA polymerase in Escherichia coli. In bacterial systems like E. coli, a single RNA polymerase RNAP is responsible for synthesis of all kinds of RNAs, that is mRNA, tRNAs and rRNA. This RNA polymerase has been purified and its structure and function is now known in some detail. The E. coli RNA polymerase has a molecular weight of about 4,80,000 Dalton and consists of 5 polypeptides, including 2 chains of alpha polypeptide and 1 chain of beta, beta prime and sigma polypeptides, and this is given in the figure. This figure shows the model of the structure of prokaryotic RNA polymerase, and it shows the association of 5 polypeptides. The table details the different components of one molecule of Escherichia coli RNA polymerase enzyme. The subunit alpha is with the molecular weight 40,000 Daltons, and the possible function is promoter binding. The subunit beta is with the mass 1,55,000 Daltons. The possible function is nucleotide binding. The subunit beta prime is with mass 1,60,000 and the possible function is template binding. The subunit sigma is with the mass 85,000 Daltons and the possible function is initiation. The beta prime subunit is the largest subunit encoded by RPOC gene. It contains part of the active center that is responsible for RNA synthesis and also contains some of the determinants for non-sequence specific interactions with the nascent RNA and DNA. The beta subunit is the second largest subunit encoded by RPOB gene and contains the rest of the active center that is responsible for RNA synthesis. It also contains the rest of the factors for non-sequence specific interactions with the nascent RNA and DNA. The third largest subunit is alpha subunit and is present in 2 copies per RNA polymerase. Each alpha subunit contains 2 domains, alpha NTD, that is N terminal domain, and alpha CTD, that is C terminal domain. The alpha NTD contains the determinants for assembly of RNA polymerase and alpha CTD contains the factors for interaction with promoter DNA, making non-specific non-sequence interactions at most promoters and sequence specific interactions at upstream element containing promoters. It also contains determinants for interactions with regulatory factors. 2 of these are identical. Thus, the enzyme contains 4 distinct polypeptides. The RNA polymerase molecule, the holoenzyme, has the composition alpha 2, beta, beta prime, sigma, in which attachment of sigma factor is not very resistant. So that the core enzyme alpha 2, beta, beta prime can be easily isolated. The alpha subunits are involved in the assembly of the tetrameric core of RNA polymerase. The beta subunits contains the ribonucleoside phosphate binding site and the beta prime subunit harbors the DNA template binding region. One subunit, the sigma factor, is involved only in the initiation of transcription. It plays no role in elongation. After RNA chain initiation has occurred, the sigma factor is released and chain elongation is catalyzed by the core enzyme. The function of sigma is to recognize and bind RNA polymerase to the transcription initiation or the core promoter region containing the 35 and 10 elements in DNA as shown in the figure. The core enzyme, that is with sigma absent, will catalyze RNA synthesis from DNA templates in vitro. In doing so, it will initiate RNA chains at random sites on both strands of DNA. In contrast, the whole enzyme, that is with sigma present, initiates RNA chains in vitro only at sites used in vivo. The sigma factor helps in recognition of start signals on DNA molecule and directs RNA polymerase for the selection of the initiation sites. In the absence of sigma, core enzyme initiates RNA synthesis in a random manner, suggesting the role of sigma in recognition of initiation sites. Once RNA synthesis is initiated, sigma dissociates after RNA is 8 to 9 base pair long, and then the core enzyme brings about the elongation of mRNA. The dissociated sigma factor may again combine with the core enzyme to form RNA polymerase holoenzyme as shown in this figure. The alpha and beta prime have constant sizes in most bacteria. The sigma varies from 32,000 to 92,000 Daltons. Although in prokaryotes like E. coli, all RNA synthesis is done by only one kind of RNA polymerase molecules, there may be more than one sigma factors which associate each with the same core enzyme at different times for expression of different genes. For example, in E. coli, besides sigma 70 used under normal conditions of growth, at least 3 other sigma factors, that is sigma 32, sigma 54, sigma 28 are now known, which are used under adverse conditions like high temperature, nitrogen deficiency and for chemotaxis.